Hotel Monument Mas Passamaner. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Hotel Monument Mas Passamaner. The 5-star Hotel Monument Mas Passamaner is located in La Selva del Camp, near Tarragona and 4.3 miles from Reus. This beautiful modernist building was designed by the famous architect Domenech I Montaner and later restored into a splendid leisure hotel. The hotel features an outdoor swimming pool and large gardens, where there is a paddle tennis court and a helicopter landing pad. We loved it. The room was great, the breakfast excellent. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Although we were the only couple in the restaurant, the food was excellent. The hotel is very pretty, but the location was difficult to get to. Everything, especially the ambience of the building. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.